Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a invalid value for registry error when opening up photos in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this, that go to your apps. Now scroll down and find out a Microsoft Photos. Now here is a Microsoft Photos. Select it, click on Advanced Options, scroll down and click on first of all click on Repair. Click on Reset. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.